In this video, I will show you how to fix the Rockstar Games Launcher error code 162. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, the most common reason this error 162 comes up is because you might have changed your name on Steam, but you've not updated it on your Rockstar Games Launcher. So if you're trying to play games through Steam, which you've got connected to your social club account, and you've updated your name on Steam but not done the same on Rockstar, this can cause this error 162 to happen. So what you want to do is open up Steam, and once you're logged in, if you come up to the top right hand corner, click onto your name up here where it says manage account. What you want to do is click onto view my profile. Then what you want to do on this next screen is come and click onto the edit profile button just over here. And once you've done that, you want to locate your profile name. So you want to click onto general on this menu on the left hand side, and at the top you're going to see your profile name. What you want to do is make sure this matches the name on your Rockstar Games Launcher, so if you're connected to account. If it doesn't, what I would recommend doing is disconnecting and reconnecting your Steam account, or just updating your profile name. This is the most common reason and should hopefully fix the error 162. However, if it doesn't, if your name is already up to date and you're still getting this problem, what you can do is from your desktop, if you come down to your search box in your taskbar at the bottom, in here you want to type documents and make sure you open up your documents folder underneath your username. So that's going to be this one here. And what you want to do once you've got this opened is look for the Rockstar Games folder. You can see that's here. And then all you need to do is simply delete this folder from your documents. Make sure at this point to empty your recycle bin as well, so it's fully gone from your computer. And once you've done that, you should now be able to launch the Rockstar Games Launcher. So that's how to fix the Rockstar Games Launcher error 162. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.